Hi friends, welcome to Digital School for Kids. Today we're learning amazing animal facts. Let's see how much you know about the animal world. Let's go! Which animal has the biggest brain on Earth, elephant or blue whale? Blue whale. Its brain can weigh up to 7 kilograms. Which animal can naturally change its sex, clownfish or crocodile? Clownfish. If the female dies, the dominant male becomes the new female. Which animal tastes with its feet, butterfly or frog or bird? Butterfly. They use sensors on their feet to find the perfect plant. Which is the fastest bird, falcon or eagle? Falcon. The peregrine falcon dives at over 300 kilometers per hour. Which is the fastest animal on land, lion or cheetah or horse? Cheetah. It can run up to 120 kilometers per hour. Which animal can make honey, butterfly or honeybee? Honeybee. They collect nectar from flowers and make sweet golden honey. Which is the smartest ocean animal, octopus or dolphin? Dolphin. They use names, solve puzzles, and play games. Which animal has unique stripes like fingerprints, zebra or tiger? Zebra. No two zebras have the same stripe pattern. Which animal can jump the highest compared to its size, kangaroo or flea? Flea. A flea can jump 200 times its body length. Which of these is an amphibian, frog or turtle? Frog. Amphibians can live both in water and on land. Which animal hibernates during winter, bear or tiger? Bear. They slow their heartbeat and sleep through the cold months. Which bird can sleep while flying, albatross or eagle? Albatross. They can nap mid-flight while gliding over the ocean. Which animal moves the slowest, snail or sloth? Sloth. They're so slow that algae grow on their fur. Which animal has only one tooth, elephant or narwhal? Narwhal. That long tusk is actually one big tooth. Which animal never forgets, elephant or horse? Elephant. They remember friends and places for decades. Which animal smells with its tongue, snake or frog? Snake. They taste the air using their forked tongue. Which animal can turn its head almost all the way around, owl or chameleon? Owl. Owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. Which animal never truly sleeps, ant or shark? Ant. They take tiny power naps, but never full sleep. Which bird can mimic human speech? Peacock or parrot? Parrot. Parrots can copy sounds and even learn simple words. Which sea creature has 3 hearts? Octopus or crab? Octopus. 2 pump blood to the gills and 1 to the rest of the body. Which animal can live both on land and in water? Turtle or crocodile? Turtle. They're perfectly adapted for both environments. Which animal changes color to blend in? Chameleon or frog? Chameleon. They change color to hide or to communicate. What do male penguins give to females as a gift? Pebble or fish? Pebble. They offer smooth pebbles as a sign of love. Which animal is pink because of what it eats? Parrot or flamingo? Flamingo. Their food has pigments that make them pink. Which bird lives only in the southern hemisphere? Penguin or seal? Penguin. They live in Antarctica and nearby islands. Which animal can sleep underwater without drowning? Dolphin or seal? Seal. They hold their breath and slow their heartbeat underwater. Which animal lives the longest? Tortoise or elephant? Tortoise. Some live more than 180 years. Which fish never stops moving? Shark or tuna? Shark. They keep swimming so water flows through their gills. Which animal sleeps the most? Koala or cat? Koala. They nap up to 22 hours a day. Which bird dances to attract a mate? Peacock or bird of paradise? Bird of paradise. Their dances are some of the most amazing in nature. Which animal drops its tail to escape danger? Lizard or snake? Lizard. Its tail keeps moving to distract predators. Which animal survives longest without water? Camel or giraffe? Camel. They store fat in their humps and use water carefully. Which animal sleeps standing up? Horse or elephant? Horse. They lock their legs to rest safely while standing. Which animal carries its baby in a pouch? Kangaroo or panda? Kangaroo. Baby kangaroos, called joeys, live in their mom's pouch. Which animal is closest to humans in DNA? Gorilla or chimpanzee? Chimpanzee. They share about 98% of our DNA. Which animal has the thickest skin? Rhinoceros or elephant? Rhinoceros. A rhino's skin can be 5 centimeters thick. Which animal kills the most humans every year? Snake or mosquito? Mosquito. They spread diseases like malaria and dengue. Which fish glows in the dark? Lanternfish or goldfish? Lanternfish. They use light to survive in deep, dark oceans.